All right, guys, welcome to the Monday, September 23rd live session recap. Market has been extraordinarily choppy, and that's a broadly made statement. However, crude oil was the market that did sell off nicely today. Unfortunately, and I will be transparent, I had to leave the house for a doctor's appointment. So while this whole beautiful ride to the downside was occurring, I was not here, which kind of sucks. But that is life. I did take one trade earlier this morning, this little push here to the downside before we started kind of reversing. We came through this level here, and we did get a little bit of follow through, didn't get the whole push. So I had taken some profit and also advanced my stop, ultimately, getting stopped out in the profit for the component that I did not take profit on the little bit of a push to the downside. Is what it is. That is why I'm a proponent of paying and protecting myself. Market consolidated, pushed back up higher where things did look like they were getting stuck, and as we rolled through this level one more time, as I was preparing to conclude the session and leave the office, I made it very clear that pushing through this level should take us potentially through this prior low and into this next level down here, 70.70, which was my ultimate kind of target on the way down, 70.80, 70.70. We got rejected, but coming back through this level here, right as we were concluding around 11 o'clock, I said, hey guys, if we continue to push, looks like 70.70 is not out of the question. Levels below that were 70.40 and then 69.40. Obviously, inside of a large gap like this, it always pays to pay and protect yourself along the way, meaning, hey, there's no shame in taking partial profits. There's no shame in moving your stop. When you get a runner like this, this is a nice, smooth, relatively controlled sell-off. With each new low being pushed, it just makes sense to advance your stop and, depending on your position sizing, continue to take profit. Even this afternoon, just looking broadly speaking, things are fairly choppy. We had some 945 numbers this morning. Didn't really amount to anything. I think the interest rate from last week probably absorbed a lot of anticipation. And that was it. So, like I said, I took a little trade this morning, which I talked about. I said, hey, if we get a little push here, we may go to 70.80, 70.70. That didn't happen. We started rejecting, came back to the VWAP, pushed. I said, hey, we're getting stuck here. Doesn't seem like we're going to be able to get much higher. There was a key level overhead. We just never got to. And then as we collapsed and came back through, there was a nice opportunity here to, at the very least, to trade from this level here at 71.15 into 70.70, 70.40 roughly, and then a continued sell-off into about 69.5. That was it, right? It comes down to waiting for your trade plan to very specifically be met, and then once it has been met and you identify the opportunity, you enter it and you continue to manage it according to your own risk management. The risk management I take approach and the approach that I'm a proponent of is to continually pay and protect yourself as the market offers you profits. Hope you enjoyed. God bless. If I can do anything for you, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next recap.